So again, here's the door before. This is what it looks like. And then this is the door after we use the restorer. So this is a pretty cool little tool. I'm pretty happy that I got it. All right, so check out this grain right here. So if you haven't seen the Porter Cable Restorer, this is it right here. It basically has a drum with this attachment. It has a wire wheel on it. So the wire wheel gets all the soft grain out and leaves the hard grain. So I was on the fence about purchasing this Porter Cable, which I picked up off of Amazon for about $100, and then it was about $50 for the actual wire wheel. John Malecki has a video comparing it to them. So if you check out John's video on YouTube, he does a really good comparison between the Porter Cable and the Makita. The biggest difference I saw with the video is that Makita is a little bit bigger and the motor is mounted different. So I believe since the motor is mounted on top of this Porter Cable restorer and instead of in the back, and it's a pretty powerful motor for this size machine, there is a lot of vibration, which John did go over. So the price difference between this one and the Makita, this one is $99, sometimes $89 at Lowe's, or the Makita is $450, I believe, on Amazon. So it was a big jump. So if you work with a lot of barn wood and don't want to take away from the character, definitely pick up this Porter Cable restorer. You definitely can't go wrong with it for the price point, and it does a really, really good job.